right. Well, my name is Nicki Burnt, and I was looking for some kind of rehab because I wasn't going to Lifetime Fitness because of the epidemic, COVID. So I asked my doctor to write me an order, my primary care doctor, to write me an order for some rehab, thinking at least I'd get some exercise and I could stay in shape because I wasn't disciplined enough to do it at home myself. That's how I ended up here. And my primary care doctor just looked on the list and saw that this was in Kingwood. I lived in Kingwood, put it together. She had no idea who Dr. Jack was.
So what would you say attracted you to come to Next Level Physical Therapy?
When I came in here and met Dr. Jack, and he explained what he does, and he asked me what I needed and what I wanted, the first thing that attracted me was the fact that he really cared about what I needed. He didn't just take me into a room with a bunch of exercise stuff and tell me, okay, this is how you use the bike and this is how you use this. He wanted to know what I expected to get out of this therapy. And I didn't realize that he worked with the brain. I'd had a massive stroke. I was still trying to get my brain back. I was very lightheaded. I'd wake up every morning. I wasn't drinking alcohol, but I'd wake up like I had a hangover. And so I was very unsure of myself. And since I couldn't do exercises because of the pandemic, I thought this would help. The only thing that I was concerned, the cost seemed to be high. And I had to take that into consideration because I wasn't quite ready to die yet. And I thought that I better think about the cost because it seemed like a lot. I thought about it though, and I thought, if I don't have my health, if I don't have my brain working, what good is it if I have some money? And I decided whatever it cost, it was worth it. And I was going to give it a try.
So how do you feel now after going through the Next Level Physical Therapy process?
I feel really good about it. I feel like Dr. Jack was very unbelievable about finding out what my problems were, what I wanted to get better at, what I needed help with. Usually you don't get a doctor-patient time to explain how you really feel about things that are going on with you. But he listens very closely, and he picks up on what your needs are. And that was important to me. I feel like he does that with every one of his patients, and he probably works with each one differently, depending on what their needs are, and that's important.
So would you recommend Next Level Physical Therapy, and why?
I would recommend everyone that cares about their health and wants to feel better in life and doesn't like to experience pain would do well with Dr. Jack and with Next Level Therapy.
So that's all the questions I have for you. Do you have any closing thoughts or anything you'd like to add?
I just think that anyone that thinks this might help has no idea how much it will help.
Thank you, Nicki.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.